Hey guys, it's your girl Nikki Pinkk. God is coming to you today. So check it out. I wanted to shoot this really quick video because I just shot a video last night for Abundance Network. And as you guys know, there have been so many people that have been killing this program, making thousands. I mean, one of the guys in the program made over $13,000 in a little less than 2.5, 3 weeks. I don't even think it's been 3 weeks yet. If it has, it just hit 3 weeks. But people have been smashing it. So you already know a lot of times when there's a new opportunity that comes to the table and people are crushing it like that, there's going to be different things that are in challenges that can arise to cause things to kind of like slow down. So what has happened with Abundance Network is there's some issues going on with the actual texting companies. A lot of them do not like our business model for whatever reason. It works. You're purchasing access to the system as well as being able to get access to resources. So, you know, there is a product that you're getting access to in addition to being able to make instant payments. So that's neither here nor there why I made this video. I wanted to let you guys know that is put on hold right now. But what I do want to share with you guys is an awesome opportunity that I have been in for a little while. And for those of you guys that have been following me, you know that I have been very busy finishing up my master's degree, which I finished in May 17th. I think I graduated with my master's. I've had a lot going on, and so I've just been working behind the scenes on many different things. But as I finished my master's degree, and I've been finishing on putting some finishing touches on some sites that I've been working on, and in the background, I am ready and raring to go. So I wanted to shoot this video to let you know. I wanted to come live so you can see me, because I've gotten questions via my Facebook Messenger. I've gotten questions via email, and so I wanted to shoot this video to let you guys know, listen, there are so many opportunities online that you can make money with. There's different business opportunities that are big companies. I'm not going to name any company names, but it doesn't matter what your product or service is. I don't care what it is. If you do not know how to get eyeballs on what you are offering to the marketplace, you're going to be left floundering trying to figure it out. Eventually, you're going to get frustrated, you're going to quit, and then you are going to end up in another opportunity or program with the same problem. It is not the program. I promise you, it's not the program. It is your lack of knowing how to market it. So that is why I absolutely love this product that I am sharing with you today, Fearless Mama, because there are so many different videos back there in the back office that she's put together to teach people truly how to market. For you newbies that don't know what you're doing, or for those of you that are seasoned and you don't know what you're doing, the program that Fearless Mama provides, it has a lot of resources back there for you to know how to market your product or service. There's another program that I have in this description box of this video that you're watching. I'm going to put a couple of places on this video in the description box for you to go to if you are looking to get eyeballs on your offer. I got my hands on a hot new lead generation tool just the other week, and I'm getting 200 opens. I'm getting opt-ins to my list every single day, and it costs less than 30 bucks a month, I think is what it is. So listen, guys, at the end of the day, you know, if you are someone that's watching this video and you are struggling to create success, whether you are working on a job, you're retired, you are a college student, whoever you are, if you are looking to add to your bottom line and your family's bottom line, you want to partner with something out there. I mean, there's different things that you can do, but you want to partner with something out there that has proven results, that's going to show you how to get the eyeballs to your offer. There's lots of different opportunities out there that are good. There are some that are not. There are some that you can join those programs and opportunities, and they're going to take your money, and their product doesn't have half of the information inside of it as what I've seen inside of Fearless Mama. I've learned some strategies and techniques, and I've been online since 2008 and had great success online, and I still learn some techniques and strategies. I promise you that there are so many different people online that have been having success, and they have different ways. Different ways work for different people, but I will tell you this in closing. When you look at what you are doing as far as marketing goes, whether you're doing paid strategies or you are doing free strategies take time. It's going to take time for you to see results. It's going to require you to put in some arm grease, elbow grease is what I was looking for. Guys, I'm telling you, if you don't have the money to do the marketing, you are going to have to do the work. And if you have money for marketing, hip hip hooray for you. You are in a prime position to be able to just purchase traffic. Now you have to know where to go to get that traffic. Now that's another thing. If you have limited funds, you want to make sure that what you are putting your money in is something that is not going to just dwindle itself down the drain. For instance, if you don't know Facebook ads and you are, marketing online on Facebook and doing Facebook ads and you don't know what you're doing, please understand that you're going to have trial and error and you may not make money. But I promise you, if you continue to work at it and you continue to look at videos, they're on YouTube, and it may take time for you to actually learn how to do those Facebook ads. You have two choices. You can either learn how to do the Facebook ads or you can outsource it. That's with many different things. So even if you have the funds to pay for traffic, you have to know what kind of traffic works for whatever your offer is. There's different types of traffic that'll be more suited for certain types of products and services that you're marketing. So that's where someone like myself will come in, where I can talk with you and see what would be the best fit. And if you decide to join my team, maybe we can work something together where I can help assist you in growing your business online. Or if you have something that you're looking to market and you need some ideas, hit me up on Facebook. My information is going to be here. But listen, I just wanted to shoot this really quick video to give out to my list and to those of you that subscribe to me on YouTube, to those of you that follow me on Facebook. There are so many different ways to market online. There are so many different ways that work. There are so many different avenues that you can take. But if you do not know how to get eyeballs on your offer, please understand that you are going to continue to struggle and struggle and struggle. It is not the product. It is your lack of knowledge of how to get eyeballs. You can sell ice to an Eskimo if you know how to get traffic and eyeballs on your offer and conversions. Converting those visits to sales. So I'm not going to go on a tangent here. I just wanted to shoot this really quick video to let you guys know that I am looking to work with some serious people. On this video, there's going to be a link that I will invite you to visit. I have a free ebook that I wrote that I was going to sell, and I decided to give massive value. The link is going to be here for that too. I encourage you guys to figure out how you are going to market your product or service. If you're somebody that's struggling to make money online, if you're somebody that's looking to add extra income on your job and you just don't know what to do, the first thing you need to know is how to market whatever you're going to market. And the product to do that is with the Fearless Mama. So you want to click the link on this video. I'll see you guys on the next video. If you have any questions, like I said, you can always email me. And my information will be on this video somewhere, wherever it is on this video. My contact for Facebook, how to message me, all my information will be here. So I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. It's your girl, Nikki Pinkk, signing out. Peace.